Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. And today I'll be teaching you on how to sign a PDF document for free in Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. So we all know that people in the past print out a PDF document, signed it, scanned it, and then upload it and send it via email. It is easy to electronically sign a PDF document using Adobe Reader DC. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So here I have a PDF. So this one is just an example, a very simple example. So I have here a name and of course a section where you can sign it or we can put your signatures on. So what we're going to do now is we are going to use the Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. So I'm going to put the link of this application where you can download it and the link in the description below. So for example, I already have the application. So you just have to right click the PDF and then click on the open with and select the Adobe Acrobat and you'll be redirected to this page. Okay, so here at the left side of your screen you'll be able to see these different sections or different options right here. So you just have to click on the fill and sign option. Okay, or you can click on one of this right here. So you just have to explore all of the options in this section. So here you just have to click on the add a signature or add initials, or you can also click on this icon. Okay, that's right, as well as this one. Okay, so we just click on add signature or add initials. Okay, now in this section you'll be able to choose what best for you to have your signatures on. So you can type a signature, draw a signature, or upload an image, and you'll be redirected to your folders where you can find the photo or image of your signature. Okay, so for me, I am going to select the draw option. So you can use your mouse, or it is advisable if you are using a touchscreen laptop. So you could easily draw here your signature. So this is just an example signature. And after that, just have to click on the apply button. Okay, so click on this one. And finally, right here, you can see your signature, and you can use your mouse or your touchpad to drag your signature and put it above your name. Okay, so you can also change the color of this one. So let's try that later. Okay, so let's place the signature first above this name. Okay, now let's click on this shaded block icon, and then here you can choose the color of your signature. So I'll be choosing black. Okay, that's right. And then after finalizing everything right here, you can now click on the save button at the top of your screen. So this one, click on it, and right here you can choose the type of your file. Okay, and of course select the folder location. You just have to click on the choose a different folder to change the location of your file before you can save it. And after doing so, you just have to click on that specific folder. So for me, I have here the folder's name, which is the PDFs. So I'll then just going to click on that and you'll be redirected to this section. So just click on the save button. Okay, so let's rename this file so we don't lose the first example. I'll just add numbers to change the name and then click on save. Now let's go to our files to locate the PDF. So this one is the first example. So this one does not have a signature yet. So let's go to the other one and open it. So as you can see, I have here now a signature above the name. So that is how you can easily sign a PDF document for free, of course, using Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. And basically, you didn't need to use any paid application. It's just a free Adobe Reader. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.